Welcome, inform me is TCL 605, and in this video I will show you what to do if your mobile data doesn't work on this smartphone. So first thing you can do is open the quick settings menu and then toggle your mobile data on and off. Alternatively, you can toggle the airplane mode too. Now, if this didn't help, then you can go to the settings menu, select network and internet, select your SIM card, then go to access point names, tap three-dot icon in the top right corner, reset them to default, and see if this helps. Now, you can also ensure that the SIM card is properly inserted into your smartphone, or change the slot for your SIM card. Check the left edge of your device. Open your SIM card slot carefully, like this. And then check if your SIM card is inserted like this, or you can reinsert it into the other SIM card slot, just like this, and then put it back into your smartphone and see if this helps. You don't have to restart it. As you can see, the phone still detects the SIM card. And in case this doesn't help, then try restarting the smartphone. To do that, simply press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, like this, and select restart, and then wait until your smartphone is restarted. After your smartphone restarts, give it some time to reconnect to the mobile network. And if this doesn't help, then go back to the settings, scroll down to the system section. In system, go to reset options, and then reset mobile network settings. Select reset settings, confirm, and then check if this helped. And if it didn't help, then the last solution and the only thing I have in my mind to help you solve your problem is to contact your carrier to verify data plan and see if they can help you. And I hope that this video did help you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.